Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Yulianti. Kali ini saya akan melanjutkan presentasi saya mengenai sistem unit components. Objectives overview. Different Emacs first, identity, describe the control unit, identity character of various, David with a descript, explain how program. Objective overview yang kedua, different among the various types of memory, describe the purpose and types of expense, different between a board and contractor, describe the type of business a computer, explain the purpose of a power, understand how to clean a system unit a computer. The system unit is a case that contains electronic components of the computer used to process data. Ini adalah contoh-contoh dari sistem unit komputer. The inside of the system unit on a desktop personal computer include drive-by, power supply, sound card, video card, processor, and memory. Ini contoh dari komponen-komponennya. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the system unit. A computer chip contains integrated circuits. Ini contoh dari motherboard. Processor. The processor also collects the control processing unit atau CPU, interpreter and carrier of the basic instruction that operate a computer. Contain a control unit and a arithmetic logic unit ALU. Multi-core processor, dual-core processor, quad-core processor. Contoh dari prosesor unit, jalan-jalannya itu seperti dari prosesor, input device, memory, output device, stroke device. The control unit is the component of the processor that direct and coordinate most of the operation in the computer. The arithmetic logic unit perform arithmetic component and other patterns. For every instruction, a processor requires a set of 4 basic operations, which comprise a machine cycle. Most modern personal computer supports planning. Ini contohnya. Instruksi 1, instruksi 2, 3, dan seterusnya. The processor contains register that temporarily hold data and instruction. The system clock control is the timing of all computer operation. The pace of the system clock is called the clock speed and is measured in gigahertz. The leading manufacturer of personal computer, processor chip are Intel and AMD. Determine how you plan to use a computer before selecting a processor. A processor chip generates heat that cause the chip to burn up. Require additional cooling, heatsink, liquid cooling technology. Contoh dari gambarnya. Parallel processing uses multiple processor simulation to execute a single program or text. Control processor, prosesor 1 memori, prosesor 2 memori, prosesor 3 memori, prosesor 4 memori, dan menghasilkan resource combined. Data representation, analog signal or continuous and vary in strength and quality. Digital signal are in on or off to stick on or off. Computer circuit respond that or kosong or the satu electronic by the presence or absence of electronic care. Binary digit. A ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is the most widely used coding scheme to report data. Contoh dari coding. Contoh dari data responsive. Memory consists electronic component that store instructions waiting to be executed by the processor, data net by those instructions, and the result of processing the data. Each location in memory has an address. Memory size is measured in kilobyte, KB or K, megabyte MB, gigabyte GB, or terabyte TB. The system unit contains two types of memory, fluid memory, ada non-fluid memory. Example-nya RAM, ini example ikut ROM, flash memory, and CMOS. Contoh dari memori sendiri. The basic type of RAM chips X, dynamic RAM, static RAM, magnetized RAM. RAM chips usually reside on memory module and are inserted into memory store. The amount of RAM necessary in computer often depends on the type of software you plan to use. Memory chips feed the processor of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions and data. ROM refers to memory chips strong permanent data and instructions. A ROM program already on the memory chip is a blank ROM chip that can be read to print manually. Flash memory can be erased electronically and written. Contohnya dari musik masukin colokin ke CPU. Sash time is the amount of time it takes the processor to read from memory. Ini expand slot and adapter card. Ini dari with plug and play. Contoh gambarnya seperti ini. Remote flash memory include memory card, USB flash drive, and PC. A port is the point with the prehar or text to or communication with system unit. Contohnya, on a notebook computer that ports are on the back, front, and a side. Contoh-contoh tipe-tipe dari port. USB port can connect up to 127 different serial together with a single connector. Other type of port: Fire port, Bluetooth port, CAC port, ESTA port, IRDA port, serial port, dan MIDI port. Ini Bluetooth via ini flash disk, ini portable Bluetooth via handphone. Ya, seperti ini contohnya banyak. Ini buses. A bus allows the various devices both inside and attached to system unit to communicate with other. What size is the number of bits the processor can integrate at a given time. Expand slot connect to expand business. Common type of expand business include PCI bus, PCI Express bus, expand graphic port, USB and firmware bus, PC card bus. A buy-in opening inside a system unit in which you can install additional equipment. Power supply converts the wall outlet AC power into DC power. Some external peripherals have an AC adapter with its external power supply. putting it together. Nah, ini contoh-contohnya ya, seperti ini. Keep your computer or mobile device clean. Clean your computer or mobile device on or treat a year. Turn off and plug your computer mobile device before cleaning it. Use copper air blow always does. Use in aesthetic wipe to clean the exterior of the case and a cleaning social and soft cloth and clean the screen. Ya, seperti ini contoh video Leopard with a time machine. Summary-nya, content of the system unit, memory stock data, sequence of operation, comparison of various, how to clean the. Itulah tadi presentasi dari saya yang membahas mengenai sistem unit komponen. Mohon maaf apabila ada salah-salah kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.